Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be making scrambled egg. If you're interested, let's get started. I'll break my eggs inside a mixing bowl. I will add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I will add 1 Maggi cube. I will mix them together. I'll pour my peas inside, then mix it with my spoon. I'll pour my oil inside the pan. When the oil is hot, I will add my onions. I'll fry it for 1 minute. After that, I'll pour in my diced tomatoes. Then stir fry it for 30 seconds. I will add the egg mixture. I will let it sit for 20 seconds. Then gently slide my spatula through the egg mixture. Please, when doing this, put your gas on a low heat so that it won't burn. I will start flipping the egg to the other side so that it can cook as well. So guys, this is the end result of my scrambled egg. If you enjoy this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.